Well, we're going to try and get this cooking today. Raining hard, stops raining hard, but it still rains. And lightly rains and it rains hard, but got ourselves a prime rib on here turning. Seasoned up with Uncle Steve's cow shake. Got 2 baskets of coal burning, one on each side. One of them's lit with lump, so it'll burn a little bit longer, and the other one is just Kingsford briquettes, professional bag, blue bag, to get some heat going in there, and it's also burning a huge chunk of pecan for me right now, which is what you see all the smoke coming from. So we're going to get this lid back up, closed, because this is going to be a long one. We'll bring it back. Alright, let's give it a look at. Oh yeah, she's coming right along, I'd say. Really nice looking. Get that lid back on there so that fire don't get too crazy. See if we can't get a better look at it. Come along nice. Alright, let's give it a look at. It's cooking a lot faster than I thought it would. Last time I did this, I only did it with 1 basket, and I went with 2 this time because it's a little cooler outside. Let's get a temperature probe. On 17. A little hotter. 124. 120 there. Yeah, it's time to take this thing off. Alright, we got it off, and we're going to let this thing rest a little while. I overshot the temper just a little bit. I'm at 125, but I'll probably go up to 130 as it cools and rests. Just internal heat and rising the temperature up a little bit more. So, but we'll be good. All right, take 2. Dog's gonna be happy. Well, I'd say it was pretty daggone good. Alright, probably could have used, not probably, but definitely could have used a larger cutting board, but it's just my favorite board, so I thought I could make it work. Let's get that taste test in like I haven't already tasted it. So I'm saving the butt end for me. I love the butt end. And that's cook's privilege too, isn't it? Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I'd call that a rare before I would call it medium rare. Alright, let me get the wife fed. We thank you for watching. I'm Lance with Sleeper Barbecue. Till next time, thank you.